Hello, everyone, and welcome. If you're looking to increase your income and reach your financial goals, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing 10 proven tips that can help you make more money. Whether you're looking to improve your financial situation, save for a big goal, or invest for the future, these tips can make a significant difference. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Set clear financial goals. First things first, set clear and achievable financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or investing in a business, having well-defined goals will give you direction and motivation. Tip 2. Develop new skills. Continuously invest in yourself by learning new skills that are in demand. This could be through online courses, workshops, or certifications. Upgrading your skill set can open up new opportunities for higher-paying jobs or freelance work. Tip 3. Side hustles and freelancing. Consider starting a side hustle or freelancing in your spare time. Use your skills and passions to offer services such as writing, graphic design, tutoring, or consulting. These gigs can supplement your income and potentially grow into a full-fledged business. Tip 4. Invest wisely. Explore different investment opportunities such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Make sure to research and understand the risks and potential returns associated with each option. Investing can help your money grow over time. Tip 5. Negotiate your salary. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary when starting a new job or during annual reviews. Research industry standards and be prepared to discuss your accomplishments and contributions to justify your request for a higher salary. Tip 6. Create passive income streams. Look for ways to create passive income streams, such as writing a book, creating an online course, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Passive income can provide a steady stream of money without requiring constant active effort. Tip 7. Network and build relationships. Networking is key to opening doors to new opportunities. Attend industry events, conferences, and connect with professionals in your field. Building strong relationships can lead to partnerships, collaborations, and even referrals. Tip 8. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Reducing unnecessary spending can free up more money that you can redirect towards your financial goals. Tip 9. Leverage technology. Use technology to your advantage. There are apps and platforms that can help you save money, invest wisely, and even earn cash back on purchases. Stay informed about the latest financial tools that can support your goals. Tip 10. Continuously educate yourself. Lastly, never stop learning about personal finance, investing strategies, and money management. The more knowledgeable you are, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your finances. And there you have it, 10 actionable tips to help you boost your income and improve your financial situation. Remember, increasing your income takes time and effort, but with dedication and smart choices, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay financially empowered.